Hey, e-commerce business owners. This is Maruf an e-commerce as expert. Today, I'm gonna presenting you how can you solve some special type of technical issues problem, which is called not found for 404 issues. You know, in technical SEO sector, the not found 404 is a common problem. If you not solve this type of problem, the Google bot will be misguided. So let's go discuss how can we solve this type of problem. Actually, you know, there are many ways to solve not found for problem for issues. And in this video today, I will just present some special type of link, special type of URL, special type of pages uh, where you can use the your robot.txt, and obviously the disallow to prevent this kind of problem. If you use this robot.txt solve this special type of not found for problem for issues, you will not face again in your lifetime, and the problem will be fixed permanently. So let's go and what how we can solve that kind of problem. So scroll. While watching, there are some links and we just have not found for shows. And in this way, one important thing I wanna add here, you are watching basket kitten dot index dot html dot home dot dot html dot html dot html. In for problem, you should not touch this type of link, because if you block this, if you disallow this, it will hamper your pages. So it is extra part to this tutorial. So let's go our main URL. You are watching here a link and their extension product count 36, and the next product count after that product order by rating, then product count, product order by, then we will find more this type of problem, page ID, product order, page product count, then the same issues, same product view. This is the new product view, product ID. Actually, this kind of links we are visiting. What would be the solution to block this kind to solve this kind of link in not found for sectors, for sectors, sectors to solve this kind of issues, and you're watching a feed to solve this type of issues. You can just use your robot.txt and disallow them, make them disallow, and this type of problem will solve permanently. To solve this problem, I have noted it: disallow product count, disallow product order by, disallow product tag, disallow order by, disallow product views, uh, page ID, and disallow it's a special type of link. And you are watching, I have used here disallow star page. If you use this type of disallow, I mean, if we use these two disallow together at a time in the same place, or one after by one, I mean product disallow product tag after you use disallow the page, In this way, you will not get the repeated page, suppose as page 1, page 2, page 3. In these terms, you should not use this. And there is a two method, you can use it or delete. So if you use this disallow part, order by product tag, order views, and page ID in your robot.txt file and use as disallow, then the issue will be solved permanently and it would be not show again when it crawl your pages. Then it would be listed as disallow, and robot.txt and the Google bot will be not misguided. So it was the tutorial. If you wanna solve this kind of links, order by view order, product ID, and product views, this type of issues, then you can use your robot.txt. And I wanna presenting you where I have used this robot.txt. Now I am visiting my main robot.txt file where I have added this text, where I have added this not this disallow. I have used this all type of disallow in my robot.txt file, and now I want to presenting you live, and so I am searching this robot.txt, opening this robot.txt file of my website, and give me some time. Okay. Mm, let's see. Actually, this is the my robot.txt file, and I have opened it on my from my website, and I have used this type of issues as if you follow this, you can find out this product count, product order by, product views, product ID, product page. It is my original robot.txt file which I have added, and I have taken this image taken this screenshot from my website by searching my website.robot.txt, and by this type of using robot.txt file, your problem will be solved permanently, and all time always you should use this type of link disallowed by your robot.txt. So today this is enough, and if you face any kind of issues, any kind of problem, and if you feel you need to do a good SEO, product SEO, and would want to be ranked on your Google, then you can make a call to me, and inshallah I will solve this kind of issues. And okay, have a good time.